Hey guys, in this video we're gonna learn how you can fix the error code 529 in your Roblox. So if you're facing this error in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix that. But before that, make sure to watch this video till the end. Otherwise, you can miss something very important. So let's jump right into it. All you need to do here is that first of all, you have to check if the servers of the Roblox is working properly or not. So you're gonna go to status.roblox.com. Now this is a website which displays the errors of the Roblox if they're working perfectly or not. So if you found this operational tag on in front of anything, so it means that all the servers are working good. But if you still have this error, then the next step is going to be you're gonna go and open your command prompt, and over here you have to type ipconfig/flushdns. ipconfig/flushdns. Alright, so it will basically flushes all the DNS, all the corrupted DNS of your PC. And once you have done, now you're gonna go and press Windows plus R, and over there you have to write %temp%. Now these all are basically the unnecessary files. These all are the corrupted cache of your PC, and you can see we have the Roblox folder in here. So you just have to select all of these and press delete. Now just go ahead, run your Roblox application as administrator, and this time most probably you will not get any kind of issue. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.